guess what?
Everything I come on, we can't take your ass in it.
Together we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming
Tell us something, girlfriend.
of you.
So AC gang, it's the girl Abigail. How am I telling her say, your girl I come back with a prank them. But no, it's not like me I whisper because the bathroom did it so and kept her beard. So I know I'm supposed to beard after him, but guess what? You know what him say? Because I see period, he want beard first. So the last time I do a period from him guys, we were there at hotel. At the time I never did a see period. But now me I see period, I decided I'm going to do a part 2 for them. Yeah, we get more extra so I don't keep on mad. So guys, I know I'm not sure, but I'm not tired. I'm not sure. So I don't even know how I'm going to do this. You know what? I'm going to put the blood pan on pad and I'm going to try and hide the summer pan the bed. I set up the camera because I'm going to suit on bed. Because I'm man, you know, unless I'm do, it will take long, but not coming like him do this time. So hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, spam the comment section with Team Abby. I want some boy named Dirty Capo. I want a Dirty Capo. Go subscribe to our comedy channel, Abby and Capo Comedy TV. The show I done. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so someone right here. So I'm going to find someone for put him for the bed. I know me I whisper because I don't want him here because the shower turn off. So I'm going to try someone, find someone, put him on bed and open set up the camera because I'm going to so come out now. Make sure that spam the comment section with Team Abby, you know. I want to know dirty people. Spam the comment section with Team Abby. Alright, so I'm going to set up the camera, find someone who put this quick and fast. Stay tuned.
You want to report?
It takes so long.
See
Because I'm
ya.
going to close the line fire.
See ya. Yo. Sarah, when you're back to the bus.
Come on, Ben.
Yo, the water feel cool, but nah, I feel nice here still. Can't go
Cool,
around.
cool, cool.
Cool, but it feels nice. You enjoy the shower.
I like cold water in a yacht. I don't know if I'm cold water in a yacht.
Yeah, you want to take out?
I can't just go here tonight.
Well, very nasty, so if you don't want to be there, you visit that. You can't fight nobody now.
You want to check out the group up? I'm going to this back on the street. So I'm moving. Oh, I brought to read it. Okay, I'm going to do it. Okay.
And you will miss you. Oh, I'm going to love to play. Look it. Look it. Jesus Christ. Abby! Abby! Come here, man. Come here.
We don't even take off the arms over here.
Abby,
We can't do-
what is
we
this?
can't-
Why is this on the bed?
See, I don't take the exam for Kepa.
Abby, why is it on the bed, Abby?
Obviously, it was a mistake.
Oh.
Kepa, I'm going to take it off for go bed. Why is issue?
Abby, no, Abby, please, just take it up. Take it up, please. Abby, take up a sheet. Yo. Take up a sheet, please. Take up a sheet. If I go on the bed, Abby, I'm coming here, please. And you're alone in the bed there. Make you have a chat to her at it. Yo, let's take up a sheet off the bed now, please.
You don't take off none.
Why not?
We don't take off the entire sheet for.
Why you put that on the face like that?
Kepa, obviously, I'm here and take off my clothes and take it off.
It's supposed to, no, say if you can't
Sometimes
bathroom.
I take long and I'm
But if you got bathroom, though. If you can't got bathroom.
Yeah, I walk on
But if you can't got bathroom.
walk on left it.
So why not?
the issue? What's up?
Why not change yourself and can do in the bathroom for real though?
As I say,
You don't always do that.
You didn't take long.
Where this come from?
You
What part,
didn't
the
take
part
long.
I'm still creating here?
What's up? Careful, stop doing that.
Pick up a sheet there, not sleep on a sheet there, my girl. What type of nastiness that a bit? For real though. I'm not lie.
Imagine you're in a bathroom and take long and I like say you shit. Because when you shit, but when know you take extra long, but you take long and you never
It's
shit.
when you're alone,
So
you
when you're in a
can't,
bathroom,
when you're
you
alone, you can't do the nastiness. You hear? If somebody in your yard, you can't do
No,
that.
I forget I have plug guess what?
Everything will come out. You can't take your nastiness. Now they beside the stinking sitting to rot it. I might as well fling it on you nasty like.
Fling it on me careful. I'm going to show the
You
fling it
must
on you. You know your face me and him too.
I think I'm not nonsense to do. May I talk?
When you think I'm a shave for? One look at dirty something.
I mean, the sheet
What was a mistake?
the sheet contaminated. You can't use it again.
So she can't tell
It's
me.
not laughing
It
though.
didn't even laugh.
But take it up. It's not about my laptop. You tripped, yo.
Yes, please.
See,
So yeah, baby.
I'm the
Yes,
same
please.
difference, you know.
Yeah, but you see me do them something there?
Why you do
No,
that?
because I take it long. So I take it up in here and take them go. I not even normally take them close them in here. Well, sometimes I do it.
So, all you
You
think?
take long, I'm obviously put it on the bed and forget it.
Why put
I stand up and wait for you all long for done.
Jesus, why you go in the first place? I don't understand.
Then you wake up and wish for me to sit down on the ground.
But why the on the bed though?
No, where are you so far? Obviously, you can see somebody
Put up
around.
some on the bed. The clean sheet, they put the blood in the pan.
Obviously, somebody around it up. See? It did wrap it up.
I've been a curiosity, that's nasty. Just get rid of that, man. Everybody can say my period. I don't want to know that.
We don't know, and I
I
say
don't want to see it, though. I don't want to see it, Abby. I don't want to see it. Don't see it.
Uh,
Don't see
uh.
it. Don't, Abby, don't play me, you know. You get vexed on the face, you know.
The vex. Everybody want vex and left me. Everybody. Vex.
You're clown, you know.
You are clown, because we have this. You have to pull up the damn fucking shit.
This man not sleep on a sheet. I'm not sleep on the nick mattress. Mattress alone I sleep on if I feel the case.
You don't go then, because I put my ship on the bed.
Well, I said that we go then.
Alright. One for the spend on bed,
You're a
please,
man,
and
man,
thanks.
you're right. You can't believe it.
Spend on bed, please, and thanks.
If I myself, Brady. Yo, give me that up. I know we can't do the foolishness, you know. Jesus Christ, why do that?
Take up the laptop.
Do the, Abby, take
Yes,
it.
spread the bed first.
One.
I'm moving.
2, 3, take it up.
How did I eat it? Spread the bed.
Right, I got you. See, you know, it's struggling. I forgot to do that girl here. Take it up.
Yo, when I joke aside, not even laugh. Because everything I laugh at.
Yeah, take it up. Jesus, why did that, Abby? Why did that?
Spread the
Why did
bed.
that? Why
Spread the
did that?
bed. I'm going to take it up for the
Why
laptop.
did that?
Alright. Spread the bed.
Come back, lad.
Spread the bed.
Come back, lad. Yeah, the man. What the fuck you do? Yo, what's you do, you know? Fuck you.
Yeah, hold on. I'm Frank.
What?
I'm Frank.
Yo, don't fuck yourself with me, you know. What I do somebody?
Guys, we can't hold on no more.
Yeah, yo, don't fuck with me. Why that look so? Don't come and say that, you know. I don't believe you, know.
I took the phone now today.
Don't come and say that, you know.
Okay, hold on.
No, for real, just stay by the center. Why do that?
Baby, that's the part our boyfriend.
Just stop, no, stop.
That's the part our boyfriend.
Just stop, just
I
stop.
didn't get my prank. Where is the extra fun?
Me never, I'm getting prank. Why so wicked? Say, yeah, your blood say, don't come near me that, you know. Don't come near me that, you know.
I'm a prank.
I'll be
Yes,
pleased.
sir.
Just stop.
Are you blood?
Yo, stop, no. Stop. No, you ain't allowed to do.
Yes, sir.
Oh, fuck that. Yo, be yourself, man.
Alright, we're done. More on the bed. Guys, I tried my best, but try for all out.
Just stop,
Check, hold on.
stop coming, man. Because we can't discuss in the
Watch out my phone.
No, hey! Yo, no, be yourself.
Don't be bad boy.
Be yourself. Stop.
That's
I'm
bad boy.
done. I watch my fucking hand now, because we can't just fuck here.
Guys, I'm not saying all of them. We are gonna try all of that. Everything. What Kappa talk? When I was strong for actually listen to Kappa course. We keep attack. That's number one. That's that catch me and make me laugh. Man, I don't know. But try to hold out as long as possible. We couldn't hold out them.
She's a fair prank. She's a fair prank.
Thank God I went to look how keep straight my bed. Man, nah laugh. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that one. I'm saying, girl, come back on the front. Yeah. Get in there, in the bathroom, I wash off it, man. I don't know where I was saying. Get where I wash off, you just touch it away, like you've come poop. So why you pie? You never just spread my bed, look, boy. So guys, I'm going to hold a nice bed now, another cold water here, so I don't know I'm to the heater, you know. So, yeah. Don't forget to hit that button and subscribe if you're in this comment section with Team Abby. Subscribe to our comedy channel, Abby and Kepo Comedy TV. Follow up on Instagram. Down below. Until then, Team Abby is out. Guys, what you idiot still wash him and see him here.
You need to go fling them.
Okay, but you touch that fling palm, so what you are trying?
I'm fixing all that. I'm touching my eye.